Ipsy, where am I? Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. It is currently 10:03 p.m. and I just decided it would be a good time to start doing some unboxings. I've also gone ahead and decided that no, I'm not going to take off my giant fluffy blanket of a sweatshirt because it's incredibly comfortable. I purchased this on clearance less than 6 hours ago from Meijer, one of the local grocery stores, and I've already decided that it might be one of my favorite things. Alright, so today we're going to get into a really quick unboxing as soon as I can get all of my makeup off of it. And it is going to be the unboxing of this month's Sephora Play. I just think it's kind of funny to show you guys at this point like how damaged my packages always come. This one isn't nearly as bad as some of the other ones I received, but it does look like somebody just stepped right in the middle of it. The vision I have in my head of like how my packages are delivered is not great. Sorry guys. Okay, so as I was editing this, I just got a notification from Amazon saying that my package of 5 different items that I ordered was too damaged to even deliver to my house. I don't know, just thought that was kind of funny. But hopefully everything inside is alright and unbroken, and that's really the only thing that matters. Alright, so for those of you who do not know, Sephora Play is a $10 monthly subscription and you can sign up through it through Sephora's website. Inside of here, you are going to receive 6 sample size products. Technically, you get 5 and then like one exciting bonus item, which is either a little spritzer of perfume or like a foil packet full of something. There's a cat on it. All right, and then also in here you get like a little fold out pamphlet, and this has a $50 gift card on it. I wish. No, this has a $50 like extra Beauty Insider bonus points card on it that you can redeem for like a thing. And this month's theme is Beauty in Bloom because it is about to be spring. And then on the other side of this pamphlet, it'll tell you all about the products inside of the box, but I don't want to look at that just yet so we don't ruin the surprise, even though everything comes in a clear bag, so it's kind of hard not to ruin. Typically, I don't get too excited before I get into my Sephora bag, but I'm seeing something of like kind of sizable length, which if it's a full-size product, I'm gonna freak out a little bit, and then I'm seeing something else that is pretty exciting. But before we get into all of that, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the little perfume sample. The perfume sample that I received this month is Versace Bright Crystal. Oh, cute! So this is what the bottle would look like if you purchased the full size of it. I'm gonna assume it's very expensive. My boyfriend the other day thought that I had something that said Versace on it, and I was like, no. That is not what that says. Oh, thank goodness. They actually have the fragrance notes in here, so I don't have to just like come up with something off the top of my head. All right, so this is supposed to have scents of yuzu, iced accord, pomegranate, peony, magnolia, acajou, lotus flower, musk, and vegetal amber. I definitely do get like the flower and the fruit and the musk. It's not exactly my favorite scent. It's a little bit sharp for me, if that makes sense. All right, so next up here, we have something from Supergoop, which I think that's a great brand name. Something about it. Anyway, this is the Unseen Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40. So this apparently is just like a sunscreen, but it's supposed to be weightless, colorless, scentless, and oil-free. Oh, and according to the back, it grips makeup, so apparently it could be like a makeup primer. Ooh. All right, so there it is on the back of my hand. It's a very interesting feeling. It's super, super silicone-y. It almost feels like a Smashbox primer or something. And I know they said it's scentless, which I'm guessing means there's no like added scents to it or anything, but it does kind of have like a petroleum jelly scent to it. It is crazy, crazy soft though. Like my skin feels super duper soft. Oh, deep down in there, I feel like I can detect like a hint of sunscreen scent. Personally, to me, sunscreen scent doesn't really bother me. I kind of like it. I don't get to go like on beach trips or things like that often, so when I do, I don't care smelling like, what's that stuff called? I almost said Tropicana, but I feel like that's the orange juice. Okay, so we have 2 different bottles of things in here, and I'm wondering if they're going to be like kind of the same thing, so I'll pull out one first. All right, so next up here we have an Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo, and I love dry shampoo. I think most people do. It's so great if you are in a hurry and you just really, you know, you just don't got time for the shower. I have very thin hair and I can't go like any more than a day without washing my hair because it'll just get greasy. Okay, so there is another little canister inside this bag, and I'm gonna see if it's a dry shampoo, and if it is, I'm gonna try it on this side of my head and see if there's any difference. Oh, okay, so this is a little bit different. This is from Dry Bar, and I kind of wish it was their dry shampoo because I really, really like theirs. But this is supposed to be a 3-in-1 product, so it's supposed to texturize, refresh, and amplify. Jeez, my memory's bad. Oh, fascinating. Okay, so even though these are relatively like the same size, this one's even a little bit taller with the cap. This one has 0.7 ounces in it, and this one only has 0.35 ounces in it. So this one definitely has a lot more product in it compared to this. I'm not a huge fan of texturizing sprays. Oh, it smells real good though. I'm probably just about out of that bottle. All right, so there are the two sides of my head. I don't really know if you guys can even notice much of a difference. I have super, super fine hair and it just likes to lay like fully flat on my head. So even the texturizing spray it's supposed to amplify, like I would really have to get in there and poof her up to make any difference. Okay, next I'm gonna go for the long thing, which I was kind of, oh. Okay, so I might have just got a little too overexcited because I thought this was going to be potentially a full-size product. The back of it looked real long and I thought it was a full-size thing, but it is actually the Sephora Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara, which isn't as exciting as I was hoping it would be. I feel like I've also received this not too long ago in another Sephora play. I feel like the design on the little lid is super, super familiar to me. Yeah, that looks super familiar. So I'm guessing I have received this not that long ago in a Sephora play. So not exactly the most exciting product to get, but I'll tell you one thing, I'll never run out of small mascara samples, that's for sure. I'm still holding out for the day that we receive one full-size Sephora brand product in Sephora Play. Last month we received, I think, a full-size Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lip. Was that last month? Was that even Sephora Play? Nope, not at all. Not even close. That was Macy's. It was not Sephora Play. Shocking. Just for some reason, I want to see a full-size Sephora product in a Sephora Play. To me, that makes sense, but alright, and last but not least, something I am excited about. I saw this little package as well, so I got a little bit excited. So this is the NARS bronzing powder in the shade Laguna. At first I thought it was a NARS blush, and I think I've only ever gotten one sample size NARS blush from the birthday gift from Sephora, but I am excited to try out a bronzer from NARS. Alright, so we just have a tiny little package here. It is really cute. It has that standard, like, nice and soft NARS packaging, and then on the inside we got like the littlest mirror you could look like at a single eye at a time. And then inside we have the bronzer shade, and like I said, I've never tried a bronzer from NARS before. The shade looks like it might be a tiny touch too dark for me though. Wow, okay, it swatches a lot lighter on the skin than it does in the pan. It's also shiny. Is it shiny? Alright, so I built it up a little bit on the back of my hand, and like, I don't know if my eyes deceive me or not, but I'm pretty sure it has like a shiny gold reflectiveness to it. Even in the little pan here, I can see a bit of like a glimmer. So I'm not really sure how that'll work out for me. I don't know if it's gonna be too much on the orange side. I guess I might as well go ahead and do that now while we're staring at it, because I'll probably forget if I don't. Okay, so I'm just going to try to bronze up my cheek area a little bit. Is that working? Alright, so there it is, like on my cheek area. I might have gone a little heavy-handed with it, but you know. I'll try a little bit up here on the forehead as well. Maybe I should take off my glasses instead of trying to shove the brush underneath them. Alright, so I don't think that was too dramatic or anything, but I think it did add some like warmth to my face. This is the side with no Laguna on it, and this is the side with some. Alright, you guys, so that's everything that came in my Ipsy for the month of March. Ipsy, where am I? That was everything that came in my Sephora Play for the month of March, and this one, it's okay. I feel like I say that a lot with Sephora Play, like, yeah, it's okay. Black mascara, super standard. I feel like I say that all the time. You know, two little kind of similar products in one bag is I can't even process words. It's a little bit strange to see. I'm kind of wondering if I almost got this accidentally. I like the little bronzer here from NARS, especially since it is a makeup product. I think this is going to be a really nice sunscreen to use. I do know Supergoop's a little bit expensive though, so if you're wanting to maybe not pay too much for sunscreen, this might be a little bit on the pricey side. And nope, according to my little pamphlet here, I was supposed to get both of these products. I do think it, like I said, is a little bit odd to get such similar products in the same bag. I know this one is supposed to give like texture and stuff, but I feel like they're just so similar. So for me, just not a home run. But I would definitely love to know what you guys think down below in the comments. Are you still getting Sephora Play? Have you canceled by now? Have you ever gotten Sephora Play? I would love to know all of your thoughts and opinions. And yeah, I think that's everything that I have for you guys today. So just thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye. One thing I do love about this hoodie is that the hood is actually large enough to fit my head. And you think that that might be like a joke, but for me, it's not. My head is gigantic.